Hello, it's Allie here. Welcome back to the episode 26 of my Draw With Me series. This video is for you if you want to learn the easiest way to color fabric drapes and textured sequin dress. First, I'm using a rose red Copic marker to add shadows to the fabric drapes on the upper part of the dress using light brush strokes. I usually like to start by laying in the shadows first, as it helps me figure out how I want the light and shading to play across the dress. Since this pose has the figure bending in one leg, it actually works perfectly for drawing a mermaid-style dress. I am adding more shadow on the right side of the dress, where the fabric drapes are the most visible. Follow my lead to bring this illustration to life. Since the bent leg is coming forward, more light hits the front of that leg, while the back side will have deeper shadows. Remember to add more shadows in the corner, behind the knees, and where the drapes are sitting on the floor. Now I am using the shade Lipstick Natural and color the whole dress. I am now going to use the shade Holly Hack from Copic and blend the two colors. The dress is slowly coming into life, but needs more definition. I am choosing the shade Peony to add more depth for the shadows of the dress. Please make sure not to overdo it. You want to give more contrast to make the illustration feels more realistic. Adding too much shadows will sometimes ruin the whole overall look. Now let's bring back the rose red color to blend the colors and make the transition look smoother. I want to add a little bit of pink tone to the dress, so I am using the shade Hollyhock to add more pink. Now, repeat the same process on the upper part of the dress as well. In this illustration, I want to add a little texture to the fabric, so I am using a mechanical pencil to draw crop hatching on the dress lightly. The key is to do it gently, as I just want to add a subtle texture. Make sure not to draw a prominent line. The more natural it looks, the better. Now let's use a white ink jelly pen to add glitter effect. I am going to repeat the same cross-hatching technique using the Wild ink jelly pen. I am going to focus on drawing the lines where the dress catches the most highlights. As the bottom part of the dress has many shadows, I am adding just a little bit of glitter effects here. Now follow my lead and repeat the same process for the top. Now it's time for an important step, which is to soften the white ink from the jelly pen in the shadow areas, since those parts shouldn't be too shiny or sparkly. Blending the white ink using color pencil that's closer to the shadow color always work. I felt that the shadows of the dress seemed to be in the same similar shades. It needs more depth, so I am now going to use the black color pencil to deepen the shadows of the dress. Now the final step of the sequin dress. Use the white ink jelly pen and add irregular dots in the area where the dress is supposed to be the shiniest. Now the textured sequin dress is finally done. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more techniques in fashion illustration, remember to subscribe to my channels where I share tips and tricks every Sunday. See you on the next one. Bye.